IBM Watson, submitted by Stephen Mani, Shibin Ishovergis, Department of MBA, Macquarie College, Tiruvalla. The topic is What's up with IBM Watson? What is Watson? Watson is a question answering computer system capable of answering questions posed in natural language. It was developed in IBM's Deep QA project by a research team led by principal investigator David Ferrucci. Watson was named after IBM's founder and first CEO, industrialist Thomas J. Watson. What's up with IBM Watson? The major key points are: in February 2011, history made by Watson by defeating the two most decorated champions of the game show, Jeopardy. It is a famous game show. It was named after Thomas J. Watson. It was integrated with the ability to process natural language. IBM Watson has Power 7 processor. It has 16 TB of RAM and uses 3.4 GHz Power 7 8-core processor. It can process 500 GB per second, that is equal to a million books. It is written in various programming languages such as Java, C++, and Prolog. Over 10 million documents were loaded, including encyclopedia and Wikipedia. The system specification: 2880 processing cores, 90 IBM P750 servers, 16 terabytes memory RAM, 20 terabyte disk, 80 teraflops computing FOPS, powers, workload optimized system. IBM technology depths are content analytics, business analytics, big data, databases, data warehouses. Key points: it protects your insights and secure your IP address. The Watson will give answer to your questions in lesser than 3 seconds. No matter whether your data is big or small, it is valuable to you and understands the values of each data. The algorithms were programmed for the critical thinking of Watson. It had the ability to learn from the mistakes and success. The brief history of IBM Watson. In 2006, the IBM project researched. It was demonstrated in the Jeopardy Grand Challenge in February 2011. The Watson is commercialized for the healthcare in August 2011, and it was expanded for financial service in March 2012, and Watson Industry Solutions in 2012. The learnings: IBM Watson is a computer system that answers your questions. It is based on cognitive computing. Cognitive computing is a mixture of various techniques such as natural language processing, machine learning, AI, reasoning, etc. Watson has challenged two top-ranked players on a threat to show its abilities, and IBM Watson has won the bet in 2011 over Ken Jennings and Brand Rudder. IBM Watson uses Deep QA software and Apache UIMA framework. The operating system on which it runs is SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 11 and use Apache Hadoop to provide distributed computing. It is written in various programming languages such as Java, C++, and Prolog. It will give you complete control over what's important to you. With the use of IBM Watson, you can maintain ownership of your data, and it can protect your data insights and secure your IP address. IBM Watson brings precision medicine to cancer patients in the field of healthcare. It interprets genetic testing results more accurate and faster than manual efforts. It helps researchers to identify new indications for existing drugs, and it can develop a new treatment for this patient. This system has a wide range of language processing techniques to have efficient conversational partners. You need a desktop, web browser, or a mobile app to engage your data and discovers new insights and associations. Watson, it is also known as a speech recognition system. This feature can easily convert the audio or voice into written text for quick understanding. It is the main feature of Watson. IBM Watson provides you with quick access towards your data. It connects to data without any complex data preparation. It removes the time-consuming tasks and complexities and backs your decisions with the trusted data. Solutions to the questions. The first one is, how powerful is Watson? Describe its technology. Why does it require so much powerful hardware? And the solution for that question is, the Watson structure consists of 10 racks of IBM Power 750 servers that run Linux. The RAM used is 15 terabytes for each rack, along with 2880 processors cores, that is equivalent to 6000 top-end home computers. Watson racks also requires 80 teraflops to run. The need of such enormous and powerful machine and system is to execute the database queries and scan the database quickly. The database is very large, including the information from the internet, which is considered a network of network. The Watson can find the data needed with a short time, 3 seconds, because the large amount of data is available at the primary memories of the computer system. The team downloaded the encyclopedias and Wikipedias from the internet, along with more than 10 million developed documents and the Internet Movie Database IMDb. The team also downloaded the entire archive of the New York Times that enabled the search to be very quick and efficient. It took 20 IBM engineers to develop the Watson project in 3 years' time and cost over $18 million, including the labor cost and separate cost of $1 million on the equipment. Second question is, how intelligent is Watson, and what can it do and what can't it do? And the solution for that one is, the Watson is intelligent and has learned from its mistakes and success through a machine. The algorithms programmed into its system and memory analyzes the user's used language and interprets the information gathered from the external sources. There are general hundreds of solutions developed by the machine as well. The Watson project remembers the types of the questions and runs the hundred of algorithms to solve the problems. When the problems are solved, the question is remembered against the found solution. The patterns of the similarities and the cross connections are used in the system to develop the solution or a similar problem in short time that before and with more accuracy. The Watson, however, is not effective when it comes to the development of answers based on their prior experience and problem based on good guesses. The Watson system is very intelligent, but it still cannot predict the future to have intentions, feelings, and objectives regarding the issues of a problem. The third question is, what kind of problem is Watson able to solve, and how useful a tool is it for knowledge management? And the solution for the question is, the Watson system ability to process the natural language allow it to execute attacks that actually requires the knowledge and expertise based on facts. The system can easily accommodate the repetition tasks and the problem solving tasks. The tasks that includes the telephone management and transactions conducted on the same media of communication along with the answered questions are treated by the Watson and its clones. The Watson system model can also be incorporated in the computer models that are used to predict whether online retailers analyze in and outs or trends and the speech recognition. These lead to the more accurate predictions and recommendations for the future as well as speech processing. And the fourth question is, do you think Watson will be as useful in other disciplines as IBM hopes? Will it be beneficial to everyone? Explain your answer. And the solution for the fourth question is, the future expectations attached with the use of Watson are in the field of medicine and healthcare, financial service, and industries where large amount of data and stocks are transacted online, and through the trade the benefit is developed for further smaller scale business. One of the prominent users of the Watson system is the WellPoint include a healthcare insurance company using Watson to sort through treatments and medicines stored in the database against different diseases and symptoms. The diagnosis, however, is still dealt by the professional because it requires prior experience and proper knowledge of the issues. And these are the four questions that were included in the case study. The next one is the Watson family. IBM Watson solution. IBM Watson ecosystem. The IBM Watson solution means bespoke solutions designed to meet some of the industry's most demanding need, leveraging cognitive capabilities. IBM Watson ecosystem. In the ecosystem field, the Watson Developer Cloud, Watson Content Store, and Watson Talent Hub driving innovation from partners. In IBM Watson Foundation provides a big data and core analytical capabilities which serve as the foundation for the Watson. IBM Watson technologies, APIs, tools, methodologies, SDKs, and infrastructures that fuels Watson. IBM Watson advises product based on Watson's core attributes and capabilities. These are the Watson's family. Thank you.